Hi everybody, Dr. Kristin here at Every Chiropractic Center. I'm going to do a quick little video today to talk about the psoas muscle. It's one of the muscles that is often linked to low back pain. The reason why is because when your psoas or iliopsoas gets really tight, which is tight in most of us, especially if you have a job where you are sitting at a desk most of the day, that when that psoas muscle becomes tight, what it does is it pulls on your low back so that it actually starts to arch more. So if you've ever had an instance where you're laying in bed and your low back is really tense and the only way to make it feel better is to kind of curl yourself up into the fetal position, that's probably because your psoas is so tight that it's arching your back, and when you curl your legs up to your stomach, you're giving that a good stretch. So there are plenty of different stretches you can do for the psoas muscle. I'm a little bit limited here on this Facebook Live, so I'm going to give you one that I do when my low back is really bothering me and I know that it's due to my psoas muscle. What I do is I use a lacrosse ball. I'm going to tell you right now, this doesn't feel fantastic. The only time in my life that I have had somebody work on me and feel like I could start crying is when I've had my psoas worked on. But anyways, so you're going to want a lacrosse ball. A tennis ball is too squishy, and like a golf ball is way too hard. Lacrosse ball is perfect. So in order to release that psoas, what you're going to want to do is you're going to be laying on a floor. So you're going to find your belly button, and you're going to go over about an inch from your belly button and then go down an inch or two, and you are going to put the lacrosse ball right in that spot while you lay on the floor. Now, if your psoas is tight, this should hurt. Sometimes the pain, you can actually feel it travel around to your back. So that's where you can kind of see that, yes, this tight psoas is tied to low back pain. So again, you're going to go 1 inch over from your belly button, and then you're going to go down an inch and put the lacrosse ball right there while you lay on it on the floor. So you're going to be face down on the floor. So do this until you can start to feel the pain ease up, until you feel the muscle starting to loosen up a little bit. When it's really bad, I do it every day. So my psoas has been very tight. My low back has really been bothering me. So I did this today after I did some yoga, and I'll probably do it every day until it eases up. A lot of it has to do with the fact that we just had 2 long weekends at the office and I did a lot of sitting. I needed a break and I was lazy. So because of all that sitting, it caused my psoas to get really tight. So if you are someone who sits a lot and you have a lacrosse ball or can go buy one, you can get one at Meijer, TJ Maxx, Target, a lot of different places, really easy to get. Go ahead and grab one of those. It's an easy thing to do. I'll try and do some other videos where someone can hold the camera for me and I can show you some of the other stretches that I do for the psoas. So I hope that that is helpful for you, and I will see you all next time. Bye.